Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for those that are passionate about agricultural business and are looking for inspiration to help them get started. So you need to look no further because in today's video, I want to talk about the 5 agricultural business that you can start with huge success rate. This one is high success rate. This is not like gamble. These are tested and trusted. So without wasting our time, as usual, if you like videos like this, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in. The first agricultural business idea I'm going to give you with huge success rate will be poultry. But now it's not your regular broiler or layers production. This is Noiler. I think Noiler is one of the most talked about aspect of poultry I used to say in my YouTube channel. This is because we are not really doing it in Nigeria. It's mainly those that are outside the country, maybe Uganda, Zambia, Gambia, like that. They are the one doing this aspect of poultry farming. But this aspect is something that I have tried and it is the perfect way, especially if you want to cut down on feed, you want to have both meat and egg, you can choose Noiler. Now, Noiler is this species of poultry that I think it's Amo Farms that brought it. Was it Amo Farms? Yes, it's Amo Farms that brought it. They crossed layers and broiler or cockerel and broiler. I think it's either cockerel and broiler they crossed to give us that Noiler. Outside the country, they call it the Kuroiler. Kuroiler, that's the cockerel and the broiler was joined together. This breed of poultry birds, they lay eggs and they serve as meat. So they have the male, they have the female, and their eggs is just like normal layers. For those that are into poultry farming and you've maybe come across Noilers before, you will know that their eggs is as big as layers, but they are more rugged than layers. The one that's they used to have like mortality rate in layers, you don't have that in Noiler. So you can just take a look at it. And now one thing about Noilers that I like is, like I said, I love anything that multiplies, anything I put my money into that reproduces, they multiply for you. So you can also hatch the egg to give you more fowls. That's just how Noilers are. And like I said, this is not the most talked about, but you can read it up. You can reach out to Amo Farms. I think the hatchery in Ibadan still supplies Noiler, so you can check them out. Next, we have vegetables. Now, vegetables are in different range. If you want to have huge success when it comes to agricultural business, look at cucumber. Cucumber is that vegetable that takes short period of time, but with proper management, you will make your money quickly. And cucumber promises 100% ROI if done well. Another vegetable that you can look into is okra. Yes, okra has a season whereby once you sell a basket, you are making your money from it. And also you can add value to okra by maybe dehydrating it. You can convert it to okra powder to also sell. Yes, that's another vegetable that you can do. Part of the vegetables we have is bell pepper. Yes, not your normal rodo and bawa. Big bell pepper. Bell pepper is hot cake. At the time I'm filming this video, we are buying just one bell pepper for 1,000 naira. Just one bell pepper for 1,000 naira. Imagine you have the yellow, the green, and the red bell pepper to sell, and it's sold in kilos. So yes, this is another agricultural business that you can do with huge success rate. These are no gamble at all. If done right, you are going to make your money, and that is why you need to seek knowledge first before you start any of this agricultural business. And that's what we're offering you at Farmy. So you can reach out to us for consultation, expertise, and training, and we'll put you through. The next one is feed formulation. You can formulate feed for poultry, you can formulate feed for goats, you can formulate feed for catfish. Yes, so feed formulation is another agricultural business with huge success rate that people are not talking about. Now, one thing about feed formulation is you must be able to link up with farmers for you to be able to source your raw materials. And that is where we also come in. We help to connect buyers to sellers. So for farmers that have their produce to sell and you that want to start formulating feed, you can reach out to us to connect you. So feed formulation is always overlooked. Not We don't have majority of people going into feed formulation. Most of the people that are going into agriculture business are always after the tilling. You can decide to set up a mill and what you are producing there is just feed for catfish farmers, for livestock farmers, for poultry farmers. Just make sure you source your raw materials directly from farmers and you will make your profits from it. This is another agricultural business that you can start little with huge success rate. Everyone that the people I know that are into feed formulation don't quit because year in, year out, they are making their money. And we keep hearing that feed is expensive, feed is expensive. but we have people that are producing it. So you too can look into that aspect as well. The next agricultural business you can consider is pesticide production or herbicide production. Now, this is kind of complicated because you need good knowledge, you need the right knowledge to mix formulas like that. But if you're opportune to maybe come across where they are mixing formulas, you can also switch to organic. I think in my last class that I held, the agricultural business class, I taught the students how they can start pesticide production. For those that are my past students who've upgraded the curriculum to fit every aspect of farming. Now, let me quickly talk about the agricultural business class. The agricultural business class is a beginner level class for anyone that wants to venture into agriculture. In the class, we talk about storage, we talk about agricultural businesses that you can start, we talk about farming. Now, in the previous curriculum, we did not really include farm, we just talked about farm manager and farm workers. But in this new curriculum, we are dealing with a whole lot of things. We are talking about your farm layouts, we are talking about pesticide control, we are talking about how you can structure your farm, we are talking about how you can plan your farm, we are talking about how you can manage your farm, and we are talking about soil management too, with agricultural business, with storage and the like. So if you're interested in joining the batch that's currently enrolling, we're enrolling the batch D. So you can register with the link in the description box. You can join the upcoming classes. Like I said, the curriculum has been updated because we have more people that are going into farming, and the curriculum does not have a lot of farming topics, but now we've added it to it. You can learn how to produce organic pesticide and start selling. Now that people are becoming health conscious, nobody wants to eat chemical again. We don't want to eat GMO and rest. You can learn how to formulate organic pesticide using natural herbs to formulate it. And these are not new things. We have people that are actually using it and it's working. Tested and trusted. I think I was holding a consultation session with someone and I told them that, and the person was like, something is eating my crop. And I said, okay, do you know what you need to do? Go and grind pepper. Once you are done grinding pepper, add ginger, add neem oil, and apply it to it. And this person tried it, and it's actually you know why I'm not packaging this thing? I'm not packaging this thing because some of these need extra preservative, which I have not really gotten into. So most of the organic ones, you need to use it on the go. Yes. And finally, this video will not end without me saying meat business. Let me tell you something. Since I opened my grill spot, I can tell you for a fact that those are into meat business. See, the business you don't know, you don't know. That's just the truth. If you've not done it, you don't know. And I'm trying my best not to do all the businesses in this world. Since I opened my grill spot, I've been dealing with meat, buying meat in bulk, killing cows and the rest. I can tell you for a fact that meat business is a profitable business. Anyhow you want to do the business, even if you want to do it as grilled, if you want to do it as frozen, if you want to do it as freshly slaughtered, anyhow you want to do meat business, it is profitable. So if you're a livestock farmer and you're thinking of what can I do with my livestock on the farm outside all this rearing and selling it as life like that, you can consider meat business, package in kilo and sell. I have someone I do buy pork meat from. Yeah, what he does is he goes to the slaughter, they slaughter the pork and the pigs for him. He brings the meat to the market and he sells in kilo, right? And it's working for him. Let me tell you, me self, I'm a living example. Since I've opened my grill spot where we do suya, we do asun and the rest. I did not know that people that used to sell grilled meat, that used to package it, they are making money. It's now I know. It's now I know. Yes, before I end this video, let me conclude by saying that every business has its risk, right? So you need to pick the one that you're comfortable with. But these ones I mentioned, you cannot go wrong with them. These are tested and trusted businesses. Just look around and check out people that are doing the businesses already and see their model. And I promise you, it's something that you excel in. No time to waste time. So yes, these are the top 5 agricultural businesses that you can start that will give you huge success rate in this year. All right, so let me know in the comment section which one you're thinking of starting. Let me know in the comment section which one you started. Also, don't forget to contact Farmy for your trainings, consultation. If you need data analytics about a particular company you want to invest in, you can also reach out to us. We help you carry out this analysis. If we advise you to invest in a company, we will let you know. Also, we also help you to carry out market research. So reach out to us through the link in the description box and let's get your agricultural business started today. All right, I hope you got value. As usual, if you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.